Vietnamese military filmmakers have spent nearly 7 decades preserving the country's history, and today they continue to tell new stories, restore old footage, and bring the past closer to younger audiences.
A Mission Without Gunfire is a new project by the People's Army Cinema, portraying Vietnamese soldiers in a new period of peace. Major Nguyễn Quang Quyết sees each project as a search for a truthful and accessible way to tell history.
Filmmakers have to live with their subject to create an honest work. Today's audiences also expect higher visual quality, so we pay great attention to the image.
Military filmmakers continue to ensure history is both recorded and experienced. Cinema helps to reach audiences in a more emotional and relatable way, especially for younger generation.
The hardest part is making historical figures feel truthful while also showing their inner life. The message comes through naturally when viewers see the person behind the contribution.
The People's Army Cinema also preserves a special archive of national history. Thousands of films and hundreds of thousands of meters of valuable film reels are being carefully stored, digitized and restored with modern technology.
We have to improve artistic quality alongside accomplishing our political mission. We hope our work can reach wider audiences and inspire patriotism, especially among young people. That is the happiness of military filmmakers.
38 artists and soldiers of the People's Army Cinema lost their lives during the war and subsequent peacetime, leaving behind valuable historical footage. Today's military filmmakers continue that journey, keeping history alive through cinema.